What's going on, world? It's your man Pat Caesar LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside services. We out here in front of Sampson. We at Lagrana right now. Got the wife out here. What you doing, beautiful? What you doing, beautiful? She breastfeeding. She doing the most beautiful thing in the world. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Most women don't really know about that. They talk about it. They don't be about it. She 4 baby strong breastfeeding, straight up. That ain't what this video is about. We out here. We chilling. We on our way back. Got Sampson back, man. Super happy right now. And I'm tripping. The kids in the back. What are the kids doing? Watching tablet. I'm tripping on myself because I ain't 50 miles into the trip and I'm just like, the truck just don't, it just don't feel right. Like this is my second V10. And it's funny, you would think that, you know, I love Ford because of how many Fords I've had, but it's really, I'm really, truly a Chevy guy. I love Chevys. And it just don't feel like, it just don't feel right. It's like something is missing. I don't know if the damn thing needs a turbo. I really feel like I should have just put a 6-speed swap in it and called it a day. I'm out here in Point Santa right now and about to head on back, man. I gotta be right back up here, or actually in Orlando in the morning. And I wanted to make this video about counting the cost, man, because, you know, let me just break it down for y'all, just in case y'all don't know, y'all don't forgot. I put $10,000, I paid $10,000 for the truck. I got it at the auction. Now the auction was supposed to be like $6,500. Really like $6,500 is what I thought I was gonna pay. But I won the bid. I think it was like, actually I'll take that back. It was like $6,800. And I got hit with over $3,000 worth of sales tax, auction fees, I mean, all types of stuff. And literally the bill came up to like $10,200. And if I didn't pay it, they were gonna impound the car and charge a storage fee and suspend my license and all types of crazy stuff, man. It was crazy. So I bought it. Then made me a few dollars and the tranny went out. And every time I've depended on the truck to actually make me money, it seemed like something would go wrong. And it started when I was actually doing something that made me money, which I was towing an RV, and I got that video somewhere in here. That day is the first day I had a problem with that truck. And ever since then, it's just been just small things. Well, either way, I put about $4,000 to $6,000 into it, buying different parts. I mean, and you can't even tell, man. That's the hardest part about it, is like, money spent so fast, even with me doing my own labor. Put all this money in it, so then I'm at like $14,000 to $16,000. I just paid $4,000 to get the transmission done. I'm nearly at $20,000 right now. $20,000. Watch out, make sure the kids don't jump out. $20,000 into a truck that I can't sell for $8,000. And I still need to get the wheel lift put on. I just got off the phone with a I done talked to every distributor that I can think of that makes wheel lifts. I talked to Lift and Tow, I talked to Detroit Wrecker, I talked to High Tech, I talked to Hideaway or Hide a Lift, and they all hate each other, but they all said the same thing. Man, if you buy our lift, you also got to do this, this, and this: springs, airbags, whatever the case is. And I'm like, damn. So okay, I'm about to spend another $12,000 on a lift, and then I gotta spend another $2,000 on springs, airbags if I go that route. I love Point Santa, man. Something about the air here. Something about the air here. So I'm like, all right, by the time I'm said and done with this, even doing the labor myself, which I didn't do the training myself because I don't rebuild trainings, that's not my thing, I'm gonna be at like $40,000. It's like, and it's hard for me to fathom paying $40,000 for a truck. But then I think, okay, well, if I charge $300, if I make $300 a day and I work 7 days a week, in about 4 months, I should have all my money back. So that's 3 times 7, that's $2,100 a week. 21, excuse me, times 2 equals 4,200. 4,200 times 2, 4, 2 times 2, 4, $6,200. Hold on, 42 times 2, yes, $6,200 a month. So So let's just say 6 grand to make it easier. I can count by sixes. 6, 12, 18, 24, 32, 38. I thought 36 was a factor of 6. I think I'm doing something wrong. Oh yeah, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. So it would take me 8 months at $300 a day, working 7 days a week, not including fuel or maintenance or anything else, just to be able to get back to my basically break-even point. And that's me working and praying nothing else happens. And so I'm like, you know, I'm counting it down because I'm documenting this whole journey so y'all can see what it really takes, where there's no handouts and nothing like that. And I have to honestly count the cost. If this is the most cost-efficient business, cost-efficient, I think that's what I'm looking for. If this is the smartest business to start for the money, because by the time it's said and done and I still don't have a property that I own, I got a lot of other things that I'm working on, I'm gonna be like, man, I'm gonna be well over 100,000 before I make any leadway. To me, that'd be 2 trucks and a property basically. All right, baby girl crying. You all right? You okay? Look how sexy she is. Look at my wife. God damn, look at her. Boy, y'all wonder why I got all these kids. I'll put some more in there if I could afford it. If I can afford it. Ain't that right, baby? Yeah. Yeah. Peace? Can you say peace? All right, come on. So either way. Wait, hold on. Yes, baby. Yeah, come here. Come here, come here.
Daddy, what are you doing?
We about to leave, dude. I want y'all to take this as a representation of the real American dream coming out and unfolding. And I'm trying to make sure, wait, baby, I'm not dreaming. Because while I'm making these realities happen, it's costing a lot more time, money, energy to do so. But there's certain people that seem to just start business. Hey, watch out, watch out, watch out, car, baby. Thank you, little lady. Watch the dream unfold. Hopefully the dream is not just like a crazy dream and turns into a nightmare in the end. Even though I can see now easily that I could have definitely been further ahead had I planned more strategically, had better credit, and really had a solidified game plan on what direction I wanted to go in. But the things that I'm showing y'all, things I'm telling y'all, yo, this is the realest YouTuber, realest content creator out here right now. I'm like, nobody ain't telling y'all the real stuff. At least in this industry, I should say that. There's other real YouTubers out there, real content creators out there, but nobody telling y'all what it is. So all I'm saying is that Sampson is back. Babies are good, thank God. I'm good, mommy's good. And I'm trying to articulate a thought of what real entrepreneurship looks like. And I'm trying to draw this picture with a game plan and actually see it through before stopping. As I record this video, today is March 29th, 2022. I'm literally just leaving the transmission shop, just getting some food real quick. And it just hit me as I talked to the last person. He's like, oh yeah, we can have it all done. It's gonna cost you by, you know, 14,000. Well, Detroit record told me 30, so I mean, but they ain't gonna lie, that stuff is pretty A1. But either way, we'll talk about this in another one, man. I'm out of here. We got another hour drive back. It's getting dark. Beautiful day in Florida, baby. And we out here. So, mi gente, y'all stay up, stay locked, stay conscious, stay focused. Until next time, mi gente, beat pro mundo beneficio siempre. Peace.